Ever wondered how we make sense of big data? Well, you're not alone. In an increasingly digital world, we're generating data at an unprecedented rate. This vast expanse of information, often referred to as big data, is complex and multifaceted. It encompasses everything from social media posts to transaction records, from climate data to medical histories. Now, imagine trying to understand this intricately woven tapestry of information without any assistance. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, isn't it? That's where data visualization steps in. By transforming raw, unstructured data into visual graphs, charts, and maps, data visualization allows us to perceive the patterns, trends, and insights that are often hidden in the complexity of big data. Without the right tools and techniques, big data can be overwhelming. It's like walking through a maze without a map. So, how do we go about the visualization of such massive data? Stick around to find out. Visualizing big data isn't as daunting as it seems if you follow a step-by-step process. Firstly, everything starts with data collection. This is the process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion, which then enables one to answer relevant questions and evaluate outcomes. It's like picking up all the pieces of a puzzle before you start putting them together. Next, we move on to data cleaning and formatting. This is where we refine our puzzle pieces, making sure they're in the right shape and free of any imperfections that might hinder our progress later on. In the context of big data, this means removing any errors or inconsistencies that could skew our results. We're aiming for clean, well-structured data that's ready for analysis. Once our data is spick and span, it's time to choose our tools. This is an important step because the right tool can make the difference between a clear, insightful visualization and a confusing one. There's a wide range of software available, from open source options like Python libraries to premium services like Tableau. The choice depends largely on your specific needs and expertise. Now, we're ready to create our visualization. This is where we start putting our puzzle pieces together. We take our clean, well-structured data and feed it into our chosen tool, manipulating and arranging it to create a visual representation. Whether it's a simple bar graph or a complex heat map, the goal is to present the data in a way that's easy to understand and insightful. Finally, we interpret our results. This is where we step back and look at the completed puzzle, analyzing what it's showing us and drawing conclusions. It's crucial to approach this step with a clear question or objective in mind, as this will guide our interpretation and help us extract meaningful insights from our visualization. Remember, the key is to start with clean, well-structured data and use the right tool for your needs. The process may seem complicated, but with a bit of patience and practice, anyone can learn to visualize big data effectively. Now that you know the process, let's highlight some key points to remember about big data visualization. First and foremost, clarity of purpose is paramount. The objective of your visualization should guide its design. Are you aiming to highlight trends, compare data points, or perhaps reveal correlations? Your goals will determine the best type of graph or chart to use, so be sure to define them clearly. Next, let's talk about accuracy and precision. In big data visualization, these two are non-negotiable. An inaccurate or imprecise representation can lead to false conclusions, and in the world of big data, such mistakes can have colossal consequences. So always double-check your data and your visuals for accuracy and precision. Then we have creativity. While it may seem out of place in a discussion about data, creativity plays a crucial role in making your visualizations engaging and understandable. The use of colors, shapes, and layouts can all contribute to a more compelling presentation. But remember, while creativity is encouraged, it should never compromise the clarity and accuracy of your data representation. Lastly, keep in mind that data visualization is not a one-time process. As your data changes and evolves over time, so too should your visualizations. Regularly updating and refining your charts and graphs will ensure they remain relevant and insightful. Keep these points in mind, and you'll be well on your way to making sense of big data. Visualizing big data may seem like a mammoth task, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Remember, the process we've discussed, starting from data collection, cleaning, and finally, the creation of meaningful visuals. These steps are the key to unlocking the true potential of big data. In this data-driven world, understanding and using big data visualization is more than just a skill, it's a necessity. So next time you're faced with a mountain of data, remember, it's all about how you visualize it.